Sun up on the concrete, hear the squeak of the shoe. Another day, another hustle, vision breaking through from the streets of Prince Albert. Here ball bounce hard, every single dribble. Playing our own card, we learn to fight for inches. Learners and fall, had to earn our stripes. Answering the court's call, sweat in every practice. Fire in the soul, building something bigger. Taking back control, we ain't just players, we're a force united, see a brotherhood unbreakable for all the world to be. More than just a name, it's the heart within the game. When the lights are on, we scream it loud, proclaim, we are power.
This is Don from Prince Albert Basketball Association. I would like to welcome you all to our Haba Mayor's Cup. This is our season 6 and it's very exciting. I'd like to thank all the teams. We have 8 teams today for this tournament. We are very thankful and grateful for their support of this tournament. And the main goal of Haba is just to bring joy, bring community togetherness to the game of basketball.
I remember the first day that I came to the gym. I actually walked in with a bunch of Filipinos coming in, and they're playing ball. I asked to run with them, and I went up to Don, and I don't think he was gonna say no to a big added up native. So other than that, it's been nothing but love. They accepted me as one of their own, and that's all I could ask for. So hopefully we can carry this on for future years and go from there.
Sun up on the concrete, hear the squeak of the shoe. Another day, another hustle, vision breaking through from the streets of Prince Albert. Here ball bounce hard, every single dribble. Playing our own card, we learn to fight for inches. Learners and fall, had to earn our stripes. Answering the court's call, sweat in every practice. Fire in the soul, building something bigger. Taking back control, we ain't just players, we're a force united, see a brotherhood unbreakable for all the world to be. More than just a name, it's the heart within the game. When the lights are on, we scream it loud, proclaim, we are Haba, hear thunder roll. We are Haba, every single go-go, from the to the baseline, standing tall and true. We are Haba, and we're coming in for you. See the past, connect the teamwork sharp and clean. Defensive walls we build, the strongest you have seen. Sharing the assist, celebrating every score. This ain't just a team, it's what we're fighting for. From rookie to the vet, every spirit intertwined, leaving doubts behind us. Competition on our mind in the heat of battle. Through the triumph and the pain, our bond grows strong. Go washing out the rain. We are Haba, hear thunder roll. We are Haba, every single go-go, from the to the baseline, standing tall and true. We are Haba, and we're coming in for you. This ain't your tournament, not just a club at all. It's the spirit of our city, rising up to serve freedom's call. Through sweat and dedication, we carve our destiny, a legacy of Britain privilege. We pop up, can you feel the fire? We're a pop up, shaking hands higher. Our brotherhood's eternal. See the blinds, we draw power forever through all time. Clown.
What's done? Okay. Number 2, God, layup 2 points by number 2. Number 1 pass to number 8, turnover. Number 3, take the 3. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 4. Number 4, too strong. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, long 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Last touch by number 11. 16 seconds to shoot. 4 pass to number 11. Number 11, 3 points by number 11. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 1 spin. Foul. Let's foul him. Foul by number 3. First personal foul. First team foul.
Maulaan mo na lang dyan pag nag-call na. Nga pa nag-call na.
For cross, layup 2 points by number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Foul by number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Substitution.
Bossing, yung nagsisab. Dito na lang ha.
18, pass to number 31, fake. 10 seconds to shoot. 31, drive, pass to number 1. Number 1, long three, short. Rebound by number 4. Foul by number 11. Rebound by number 18. Number 3 setting the play, pass to number 1. Number 1, fake. 10 seconds to shoot. Pick up to number 11. Back to number 1. Fake. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 1, drive under, foul by number 2. 2 first personal foul. Turn, team foul.
Ayun na tayo.
Seven. Pass to number 11. Number 11. 2 points by number 11. Ten seconds to shoot. Line violation. Substitution. Number 15, 3 out. Time out. Committee time out.
What number? Just put it. Just put your. Can't remember his name.
Number 2, pass to number 11. So, jump shot. Rebound by number 95. Line violation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Number 11, take a 3. Rebound by number 2. Pass break to number 0. Step back. Too strong. Rebound by number 18. 31 still by 0. 0 pass to 11. Pass to number 7. Number 7, take the 3. Short. Substitution.
Nagpalaki ng katawan. No?
15 seconds to shoot. 0-0. 10 seconds. Still by number 2. Number 2, hard drive. Basket is good.
White 0. Block. Front.
Substitution. Number 0, first personal foul. Second.
Oh.
Last touch by number 24.
Wala.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 0-0. 5 seconds. Steal by number 7. Has to play by number 2. One minute and 50 seconds. 15, take a 3 points by number 15. 7, drive, kick out to number 2, fouled by number 11. Number 11, first person foul. 111. Ten seconds to shoot, number 2. Drive, layup, rebound by number 11. Steal. Foul. Substitution. Foul by number 95. 95, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 3. That's on 15. Number 15. 5. 24, shot clock violation. 4 seconds. Time remaining 4 seconds. End of the first quarter. Score 11-6 in favor of Edmonton. Back to the ball game. Three, blocked by number 11. Number 3, take a 3, put back slap by number 2. Technical. Pass to number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. 1, drop to number 18. Using the board, rebound by number 2. 2 pass to number 19. Number 19, take the 3. 2 points by number 19. Zero. No good. Rebound by number 2. 19 again, hit check, no good. Rebound by number 1. 15. Rebound by number 19. 19 pass to number 2. Number 2. 2 strong rebound by number 11. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 19. Back to number 2. 10 seconds. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Layup 2 points by number 11. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Steal. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Slam dunk by number 11. Timeout. Good fellas. Score 27 in favor of Edmonton. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Discovery.
Oh yeah, baby girl. 30. Goes, blocked by number 11. Number 2, another slam. No. It's just a gen layup. 2 points by number 2. Substitution. 24-8. Number 2 out. Take the 2. 2 points by number 24. This is too smooth. Rebound by number 12. number 19, 12. 12, pass to number 3, take a 3, another 2 points. 3 points by number 3. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Third one. 2 points by number 31. Another 3 points by number 3. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. $15 seconds to shoot. 31. No good. Rebound by number 11. 11. Substitution. Number 8 in. 19 out.
Number 9. 11. Shot.
15 seconds. 7. 2 points by number 7.
Seconds.
Number 8. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Rebound by number 3. Blocked by number 18. 2 points by number 11. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 30. Pass to number 31. Take the 3. 3 points by number 31. 3 minutes. Number 12, fake, still by number 18. Still by number 8. Pass to number 3. Another 3 points by number 3. Fake. 15 seconds to shoot. 7. 10 seconds. Rebound by number 11. That's to number 3. 3, pass to number 8. Number 8, take the 3. 3 points by number 8. Timeout. Good fellas. Score 39-15.
Oh, tangina mo yan. Yan si Sad. Oh.
Back to the ball game.
Talaga. Bag.
Yes, pass number 1. Fake drive. Fouled by number 24. Number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. Turnover. Substitution. Substitute in. Number 17, number 11, out.
O yung isang kapatid. Haba na.
15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, fake. Rebound by number 24. 7 pass to number 3, number 3. Back to number 7, fake. Drive, drop to number, turnover. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minute. Take the 3. No good. Still by number 30. 7. Jump shot. Strong. Rebound by number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Three points by number 30. 15 seconds. 10. Number 7. Rebound by number 18. 5. End of the first half. Score 39-18 in favor of Edmonton. Masaljud, shoutout sa iyo, bakaman. Lamang ne. Pakitingiti ka lang dyan, baka naman.
Ubus ang 50? 50? No? Ayaw bibili yun.
Alin? Late 8 lane card. Inagag. Number 7. 3 points by number 7. Wala yun dito sa bata ako. Buratan lang eh.
No, pre. Kailangan mag-focus na. Baka naman may mensahe.
15 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Attempt airball. Four. Pass to number 3. Rebound by number 11. Back to number 3. 3 points by number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 drive. 2 points by number 15. Number 4, 2 points by number 4. Still by number 2. 2 points by number 2.
Ako bahala makikita sa akin.
30. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7. The lob. Last touch by number 18. Number 3. 2 points by number 3. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 7 spin. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 7. 10 seconds. Jump shot. Rebound by number 11. 4. Last touch by number 30. Substitution. Number 1 in. Number 7 out. Number 2. Pass to number 11. Kick out to number 4. Number 4. 2 points by number 4. Seconds. 15 drives. Scoop layup. No good. Rebound by number 11. 11 pass to number 7. Back to number 11. Layup. Rebound the 2. Number 11 pass to number 1. 1. Number 4, pass to number 7. Number 11, take the 3. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, jam! 2 points! Slam down by number 2.
Ilalambit sa ano eh. Kaya na bumagsak. Arter-reter yung patawagin.
15. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by number 3. Number 3. The jam. Lava Jama. 3 to number 4. Number 1. Number 2. Crossover, kick out to number 4, pass to number 7, ball movement, number 3, take a 3, no good, rebound by number 11. Number 11, 2 points by number 11. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Another steal, number 11, pass to number 2, alley pass. Number 11, timeout. Good balance, score 63-20. Favor of Edmonton.
You need to fix the rim. Uy, number 11. Ito, puta dyan sa kabilayan. Yeah. It's your fault. Fix it. Dami na. Ilang ang na. 20 na yun, 20. Ano, may kasama pa kaya yun? 30 na pala. Oo. May cash point yun. Oo, may jump tayo. Back to the ball game. Eish. Seven, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 11 again. Oh! Slam dunk by number 11. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Hindi pa pang dito dumadagdag. Dito sa professional.
Shots. 7. Pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3, take the 3. 2 points by number 3. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Substitution. Substitution. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Number 3, short. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. No good. Rebound by number 95. 95. Foul. Basket. Foul by number 1.
Sub. Same.
Foul. Foul by number 9.
Jump. John, take it easy, John. Great. Yellow 12.
Foul by number 12, first personal foul. Second team foul. 15 seconds. Number 1, foul by number 12. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ano heso yan?
Zero. Jump shot. 2 points by number 0. Number 3, take a 3 short. Rebound by 0. 0 kick up to number 9. Number 9 fake. Jump shot. No, rebound by number 11. Ten seconds. Steal by number 24. 24. 2 points by number 24. 15 seconds. Line violation, substitution. Substitution. 95, 2 points by number 95. Zero. 18 jump shot, 2 points by number 18. Number 12. 12. No good. Foul by number 0. First personal foul. Jump ball. Same ball. 10 seconds. 15. 2 points by number 15. End of the third quarter. 2. .26 short, rebound by number 11. Steal by number 24. Slam down by number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Sixers steal again. Number 10, pass to number 24, pass to number 26, 26, back to number 24. Foul by number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 10, 2 points by number 15. Fifteen seconds to shoot. 26. Spin. Kobe. No good. 15. Rebound by 0-0. 2 points by 0. Twelve. Take the 3. No good. Joseph pass to number 26. Number 24, number 24, take the 3, no good. Pushing foul by number 12. Third personal foul by number 12. Layup, 2 points by number 15. Essie, kick up to number 12. No good, rebound by 0. Substitution. Steal. Steal by 0. 0 layup, 2 points by 0. Traveling. Substitution.
Traveling mo. Saved by Anton Moore. Out of bounds. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Three pass over 11. One played. 95. 2 points by number 95. Last touch by number 95. 0-0. Twenty-four. Substitution.
Number 11. Oh.
Hot. Towards by number 8. 4 minutes. Number 1. Rebound by number 9. Number 9, take the 3. Too strong. Foul by number 95. Substitution. Substitution, ref. Blocked by number 18, number 10, towards by number 10. 3 minutes.
Venga.
95, no good. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 1, that's number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18, rebound by number 9.
All the way na, all the way. All the way. All the way.
9 to drop, rebound by number 9. 15, no good, rebound by number 95. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 90, take the 3. Rebound by number 1.
On the way na. Oh, atras yan, atras yan.
Two points by number 15. Three points by number 8. 55 seconds. Foul by number 9.